So tell me, can a fat guy do homesteading too? Join me as I bumble, sweat, and occasionally succeed in fixing up this mess. I'm armed with zero skills, a lot of determination, and probably way too many snacks. I'll tackle do-it-yourself disasters, try to learn from my mistakes, and prove that anyone, yes, even a out-of-shape newbie, can turn this rundown property into a functioning homestead. So subscribe if you believe in underdogs, or if you just want to laugh at me as I try to learn.